welcome back to my YouTube channel. And yes, it's been a while that I did not make a vlog, and today we're gonna start our weekly vlog because today is Monday and I'm gonna do something outside, so I'm gonna take you with me. uh I'm just gonna harvest our garlic because it's ready to harvest now, and I realized that I'm harvesting it earlier than I did last year because I think I did around end of August and first week of September, maybe like that kind of date. So later this evening, we're gonna go with my husband after his work. We're gonna go to the store to buy our weekly groceries. And yeah, let's do this, guys. Oh my god. Look at that creature. Oh my god, there's an ant. Get off. Hey. So, hey guys, I'm done harvesting all the garlic that we have, and now this is all that I harvested. So I'm gonna show you guys how much. That's a lot for us already. Yeah. Well, I really like garlic, also my husband, and yeah, nowadays I love cooking garlic rice, which is a very popular dish in the Philippines. So what I'm gonna do now is separate it into two parts and tie it with these small ropes, because I'm gonna do is cure them for like 2 weeks because it's needed. And once they're cured, all this soil that's on the garlic will be like disappear, and you just have to clean it up when you want to cook it. And then yeah, let's start. Harvested so 3 pieces of tomatoes, and I think it's good already. We just have to wait for a couple of days and it will be alright. Yes. This guy is so pretty. Guys, I'm going already to the store because we're gonna buy, and my husband's walking going to the store already. So yeah, I start also, and I need to throw the trash, and we need to go to grandparents to give medicines. Look at that, guys. So we just got done doing grocery, and look at the moon, guys. It's so pretty. Hey guys, so today is Tuesday and currently 5 p.m. in the afternoon. So we're gonna go to Babush Calarisa, but first we're gonna go to Azon. So yeah, see you there. We have arrived now at the first place. There are some cats, guys. Hi! Oh, такая хорошая. Это котики. there's 3 of them. Look at that. Hi. Why you guys stay here? Hi. So we're drinking tea, and then as well as chocolates. These are chocolate, guys. Look at that. So look, it looks like a real stone. It's cute. Hey guys, good morning. It's currently 9:16 in the morning, and I woke up around 7 or 6:30. But then, yeah, I got hungry. But I'm on my fasting, so I'm gonna do my journal, and then to break my fasting, just like drink a tea if you're doing a fasting. So you just drink a green tea or a black tea, or I think anything, because I drink both. So yeah, let's do the journal. They have some bell pepper ready. Oh, look at that, guys. Also, I have some chilies here, just waiting it to become red, I think. And I just check also our cucumber. We have one. Seems like it's a good one. And then another one. That's so cool. Look at them, so cute. We have some potatoes. How cute, guys. These are my harvest for today. Some potatoes. There's like small ones as well. So cute. And our tomatoes. There's like big ones and the small ones. So yeah, that's all. I'm gonna eat some watermelon because I wanted to. And it's kind of like a snack because it's around 6 p.m. in the evening. Let's try it. If it's sweet or not, because it looks like not sweet at all because it's not so red. So yeah, let's try it. Wait. It's sweet, guys. Approve. Oh my god. The seeds. I like, using my hands. Fingers to get it. how pretty it is. So guys, I got my groceries. It's just like small amount because I just needed to buy some things. And yeah, I bought food for cats. This is my first meal, yogurt and some granola thingy, or muesli in Russia, and then some white bread, some, I don't know, pepperoni, but we call it here kalbasa, and then a cheese. Oh my god, my cat. Oi dear! Please, mom.